how to change Google Meet access settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you are the meeting host, you can change Google Meet access settings like this. So head over to the browser, go to the Google Meet, go to the lock icon in the bottom right corner that says host controls. Then scroll down and you can see meeting access type. So if it is set to open, no one has to ask to join, anyone can dial in. Change it to trusted. You can also toggle on anyone with the meeting link, or you can untick it as well. So now anyone who wants to get into this meeting room will need your permission, like you'll need to admit them. So that is how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.